got family on DVD. Now I'm finally going to watch it. Finally going to watch it. Hey! Hey, you! What? Who said that? Just don't watch it. It has a scary THX logo on it. Scary, trust me. Oh my gosh. It's a ghost in a blanket. And don't tell me there's a scary THX logo on it. Just watch it and see for yourself. Okay then. I will have... Let me look at it. I gotta look at this. Yeah. What? Just put the disc on the TV player and just watch it already. Fine. I watch this. It's not that scary. Alright. Let's see. Now let's see how scary this is.
So I also am a boxer and teach extreme boxing. I don't think anybody's suspicious of me.
Alright. Here we go.
And I'm a hairdresser. But then
What's gonna take forever?
she's not lying. That's how I'm thinking of it.
The FBI warning screen. No! I want to see this movie. Not this. Alright. Oh, well, what does the material will go? I'd rather scare me out. See. Oh, guys, get the previews. Me, I don't want to waste previews on that time. I want to miss a movie. Let me turn the volume up. Alright. There we go. Now time to play this movie and see how scary this logo is. Alright, here we go. What's the noise? Oh no. It's THX!